Well, Mini Mughal was a place that was set up in 1982. It started off in Johor Bagh, but it has moved to GK2 M Block Market now, adding some Mughal flavor to this posh market. We have the butter chicken, the really famous butter chicken over here, and let's dig in. While the gravy is a little on the sweeter side, but what sets it apart is that they've got these huge chunks of green chili to add that spicy kick. You have shredded ginger, which comes right in your mouth, so it adds that whole tangy and gingery feeling to it. This is the full plate butter chicken. Interesting fact, these guys use pure butter in their gravy, but they use low-fat cream. So all you people who are worried about not eating a lot of cream, well, they've got you covered. I'm at Havmore Restaurant in Pandara Road, which has been standing here since 1969. I have with me their butter chicken, which looks a bit more darker in color than usual butter chickens, but one thing that has caught my attention is this, their glistening garlic naans. So the thing with their butter chicken is it sort of dodges flavor inside your mouth. One second it's sweet, the other second it's tangy. Of course, the secret here is the tomato puree, which is made purely in-house, completely made with tomatoes over 3 to 4 hours. They don't cheat or nothing. They don't put tomato ketchup to sweeten it. In fact, they use a very special ingredient to sweeten their butter chicken. They use khoya. Well, their butter chicken is a little on the heavier side, but I'm not complaining because you don't eat butter chicken when you're on a diet. You eat butter chicken and then go on a diet. You can't talk about butter chicken without a mention of North Delhi. I mean, after all, this place has the largest Punjabi population in the city. An invitation was sent to us as well to come to this place. We are in Ashok Vihar. The place is called Invitation. This place is really popular among many Delhiites, especially for their butter chicken, and I am about to try it. Let's see what they've got. Wow. They pre-cook their chicken, so it has that smoky taste to it, and they garnish it with kasuri methi, which adds a lot of flavor to it. Wow. And the best part is the chicken is really soft and tender. It just melts in your mouth. This place really knows how to give their customers their money's worth, and they've been doing that for 30 years now. So this is the place where it all began. I'm sitting here at Daryaganj in Moti Mahal. This is the place that is credited for the invention of butter chicken. So every butter chicken you've ever had, this is the father and the mother of all of them. And I'm here to taste it. It's not very thick, it's not very thin, it's just the right amount of thickness. And this is just one naan. You feel the spice as well as you bite into the chicken because of the marination that is sinked in deep. And even if you go deep inside your chicken, the flavor doesn't die. Fun fact, Gordon Ramsay came to this place to cook some chicken in that kitchen and he fucking loved it. It's all simple ingredients, but it's all done so well. It's one of those dishes, it's like when you eat it, you don't feel spicy at all, but then as soon as you take a small little break, you feel those taste buds gasping for air. The next stop on our butter chicken trail brings me to Rajendra Place in this restaurant called Mughal Mahal. This place has been serving its customers for the past 40 years, and one thing that keeps bringing them back is of course their sumptuous butter chicken, which I am about to sink my teeth into. Wow, that's hot. So the unique thing about their gravy is that you can actually see and taste these bits of coriander and tomatoes inside it. Their butter chicken is a little different from all the other places that we've been to. It's less on the Mughlai side and more on the Punjabi side, even though the place is called Mughal Mahal. In 2003, this place was named to have the best butter chicken in the world by Economic Times, but I would say don't judge them. Come here and check it out for yourself. लाइक एक्चुअली क्या है ना, हमारा नॉर्थ दिल्ली का ना सबसे बेस्ट बटर चिकन होता है। साल पे और कोई जगह पे है, यहाँ पे बार भी है और बियर भी चलती है यहाँ पे। तो हमने बना दिया तो तुम लोगों ने बना लिया, तुम हमारा ही तो कर रहे हो। ये हम दिया किसने है? ऑथेंटिक ब्रो, दिस इज ऑथेंटिक। और पता है 25-30 लोगों के लिए डिलीवरी भी करते हैं लोग, वो भी फ्री। व्हाट लो फैट क्रीम यार, बटर चिकन खाना है, हम डाइटिंग पे थोड़ी कोई बटर चिकन खाता है। लो फैट क्रीम का क्या करेंगे हम? यहाँ पे अचार डालना लो फैट क्रीम का।